Hey guys, what's up today? It's me, the 11th Gamer here, and yeah, I know it's been a while. I haven't uploaded any videos recently, but today in this video, I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how to do the office scrolling just like in Five Nights at Freddy's. Now you're gonna need ClickTeam Fusion for this. Obviously, you could use the free trial, but you're not gonna get the full effect of how to use it if you have the free trial. I'll explain that later. But anyway, we're gonna start off. So first of all, you're gonna have to have your frame by 1280 by 480. So 480 is a default height, so you don't need to change anything there. But for 1280, you're gonna have to change it from 640. And yeah, so now you just go click on it. Add an office using the active object. So you just go on new object and click active. But in this case, we're going to need the active object for something else, for the scrolling itself. So we're just going to go ahead and insert two active objects, like that. Now you're going to go right click and click on properties. Next thing you're going to do is go over to here, the movement section, and click on bouncing ball. You should also do the same for the second active object, and this time you're going to change the speed to 20. Now what you're going to do is go over to event editor and you're going to click start off frame and you're going to click always. Now you're going to go on position and set X coordinate and set it to X mouse, and you're going to do the same thing but with Y coordinate, so the Y mouse. Now you're going to go over to active 3, aka the second active object, the scrolling object, and we're going to go over to direction and select look and direction off. Now you must click the object itself. Now you're going to go over to here underneath storyboard, and you're going to go on scrollings and click center window position and frame. After you do that, you're going to click on the first active. After you do that, you're going to go over to the first active and click on overlapping another object. After you click it, you're going to overlap the second object. Now copy it there, and now click negate. And this time, now you're going to go underneath the first active once again, and you're going to click on stop. And then underneath that, you're going to click on start. It should look like this now. Yeah, okay, it's not perfect, but there's that. Now, if you want to make it look more realistic, which I assume is exactly what you want, you're just gonna go over back to the frame editor. Obviously, just wait, no, what am I doing? Okay, now you're gonna make like this invisible bolt of the scrolling objects, and you can click on insert, and you have to go on extension manager to install the perspective object right there. And now I already have it obviously, so we're gonna click on it, put it there. I would recommend like increasing the size up to the line here for a good effect. Just increase it up to the line or more if you want, and now it should look like this. Now obviously it still doesn't look too good, well at least that's the way I see it. So you're gonna go over to the properties of the perspective object, and go on zoom value and like increase it to like 216 if you want. And now that's how it should look like. Looks much more realistic. This is good for creating a fan game if you want. So that's all for today, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.